we are back with a super quick and easy recipe.
Stuffed Mexican buns.
So let's go.
For this, we need boiled rajma, some mixed peppers chopped, some mixed herbs, some salt, and some chili garlic paste. Let's sneak in a little bit of cheese.
And I'll mix it real quick. So it's a very simple and easy recipe.
So we'll scoop the buns. Mind your hands.
We have taken mini buns, but you can go for a nice burger bun.
Or a pav.
Yes, a pav also.
Let's not waste. Scoop karke, we'll push this inside.
And now I'll quickly fill the beans in these buns. And of course, cheese makes everything good.
Let's top it up with cheese and bake it and eat it.
It's just
So good.